In this video, we are going to show you how to open new tabs on Google Chrome. Now, if you're new, it's pretty much the same thing as opening tabs on Edge or Firefox or other Opera. There we go. It's the same thing, right? Although a lot of people don't really use Google Chrome as much as it was back in the day because it still does eat up a lot of your RAM. It does slow your PC down. For some reason, they don't fix it. Maybe Google's just too lazy. So once you open your Google Chrome browser here, you're gonna have some options. If you've saved some tabs here, you can just click on this, right? And it's gonna open wherever you are, right? Or if you want to open a new tab, you can use this plus button here or add button here. It says new tab, right? If you hover your mouse, click on that, it's gonna be a new tab. Or again, if you have your bookmarks bar here and you have a lot, for example, Twitter, I could just use the mouse wheel button. So click not the right. So I'm clicking the right now. As you can see, nothing is happening. Right is going to be that, right? Left, there's nothing happening, right? If you hover your mouse on whatever bookmark link you have and you click on your mouse wheel, it's going to open a new tab. That's another way, a faster way to do so. Instead of like going up, maybe you have some websites on the link. For example, let's search for, right, Galileo horse, right? If you see anything here, you can just, instead of clicking, if you don't want to use this bookmark because this is your search tab, you can just use the mouse wheel and click on it. It's going to open the link that you want, right? There you go. And yeah, that is how you open a new tab a couple of different ways on Google Chrome. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.